awesome people. Sans and Pap understood. Back making another video. Ryan's making ice cream.
For fire.
Yeah. Look what he got done so far.
Look at
Look
at Evan.
And then look at Evans.
I'm recording a video right now.
Yeah, he is.
Well, I mean, I'm gonna wait. But, you know.
Yeah.
Does it give you the scissors? We're about to post a video we had in the morning.
Yeah. They made like a video in the morning, and I didn't get to do. I didn't get to be here.
Well, actually, I already did.
Cups, like my hand. Evan's freaking out over here. You like chicken?
Like halfway around.
Yeah, I like chicken.
Yeah, I like chicken. Are you the big snack? Do you like chicken? Do you like chicken? Wee. Well, that's heavy.
Okay,
Almost that too.
Oh my god, look, that's so far. Wait, hold on. Taste this.
There's a crack. Oh, yeah, taste that. Taste that. Vanilla ice cream.
Yeah.
oh my god.
He is freaking out.
Savage.
Dude, you start your video, dude.
Yeah. I gotta wait till the ice cream is done.
Dude, me and you should share it, dude.
Ooh. Dragon Ball Z.
I did it. I did it. He did it. He did it.
Ice cream is done.
And look what you did so far. You barely got a
Frostbite. Correct.
Hold this. Hold this.
Got the top off.
Oh, get the top off. Oh, hold this. I got this.
Yeah.
Stop.
I got this.
Hello. Don't cut
Right
yourself.
behind the camera.
Don't cut yourself.
Fudge. Dang, what did you do to this?
I destroyed it.
Yeah, you did more than destroy it.
Got a crack in your phone.
Oh, I can't do that at all.
Okay. Here's your camera.
Oh, let me try this.
Pretty
Oh, that's
decent.
pretty good. No joke.
Pretty decent.
Want me to do your camera?
No, not yet.
Dude, you okay? You okay? You want me to
Look how
help?
red.
Dude, you want me to
First of
help?
all, we should probably no. Don't mess it up. Don't mess it up.
Almost there, dude.
Yeah, I got this piece of hair in my mouth. And yes, I am not in my house. I am at my friend Ryan's.
Having a sleepover.
Yeah, we're having a sleepover. It is officially 8:36. Ooh, wait, I want to try this. That's really good. I'm not gonna lie.
Wow. I would love to show my camera all this stuff that's going on.
Want me to start it? Look at Evans.
Everyone's beast. Oh, totally. Oh, you're good. No, almost cut.
Ow! I think you cut your foot.
Okay, cut your foot. Gotcha.
Feel like waffles, feel like waffles. You got it all done?
Almost.
You got it all done.
No.
You did? See? Ryan did it!
Evan, I need a bowl.
Go get one.
Alright, I'm gonna start your camera up for you. Sorry, Ryan isn't here. This is like his friend. He just got done just now. Sorry for the long wait.
They don't even know what's.
Oh!
I broke it.
You did it. He broke it. He did it.
So I'll see you guys in a little. I need box cutter. Give me the box cutter.
I'll have it.
Where's the box cutter?
Your face. That's where it is.
Let me try.
Okay. This is worse quality.
Ryan just got done with his.
Oh, yeah.
Dude, we're doing 2 cameras. We should actually start that one. Your camera. I'm gonna start it.
Go ahead.
We just got done. Yes, we're doing 2 cameras. Mine, which I'm making a video just now, and we're doing yours, Ryan's. Where did you get the spins at?
Think so. No, wrong one. Found it. I'm gonna use the Spider-Man one.
Spider-Man.
Wait, give me a spoon. I think I got this.
All right.
I'm using the Spider-Man one.
Hey guys, almost there.
You get the big boy spoon.
You get the big boy spoon. Oh God.
Look at Ryan's graphics compared to yours.
Mine's horrible.
Ryan's graphics are way more better than mine.
Mine is like so amazing. Homemade, healthy ice cream.
Sure.
Rock and refill. I have been drinking these for like 2 days now. It expires tomorrow.
I got all of it out.
Oh, I got the top out.
I got all of it out. Yes, finally. Look at that.
Heaven.
Look at that.
Look at Evans. Look at Evans.
We have to clean up.
Ryan.
Just look at Evans.
Ryan.
Look at Evans.
Oh, I got the top out. Ugh. Here, Evan, show it to my camera.
Show it to mine as well.
Evan, you should be making a video.
Yeah, you should.
Well, guys, my DIY muscle or healthy ice cream is done.
DIY mess is done.
Yeah, my DIY mess is done.
Ryan's letting me eat this one. Right?
Yeah. Oh my god, this is so messy. My hand is so sticky. It's sticky.
This is really good.
Ugh. Can't wait to like see people at school be like, "Dang, DIY ice cream."
They don't even know what you
Oh my god, I actually did it. Sticky hand.
Guys, next we do the chocolate milk.
Chocolate milk,
Yeah.
like frozen chocolate milk.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I made that.
Okay, guys, ready? You guys want to see this? Ready? Ready?
Show Evans.
It's like.
No.
Wait. Hold my spoon.
What?
Look at that. That's
Look, show
DIY
Evans. Show Evans.
healthy ice cream. Evan, does the camera see?
Yeah, I got all of it out.
Yeah, like DIY ice cream. Did you hear it?
That's Grandma's TV.
Oh, it is Grandma's TV. Well, ice cream part 2. DIY, do yourself. Yeah. Well,
Delicioso.
I hope you guys like this video. Make sure.
To Noah.
Oh yeah, shout out to Wasteland
Shout out to
Bullies,
me. Shout out to me.
Sans and Pap,
Undertale.
And we'll see you guys in the next video.
Oh, we might do another one. We might do a chocolate one.
Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.
Alright. This is it for this video. Give a like, comment down below, subscribe. Shout out to Fear Fire 2000. Wait, Evan, what's your name for YouTube?
Blah, blah.
What?
I don't have one.
You don't have
Yeah,
one?
I don't know.
Shout out to Skater Kid.
Scooter Kid
Yeah.
101.
Scooter Kid 101. And shout out
Aries.
and Ezekiel Airy.
There it
And
is.
that's it for this video. This
Oh, it tastes like
is it for this video. Bye.